Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Monday morning. Let's see, it's the 16th day of October, 2023. This is the morning briefing. And as I look out the window from the home weather office, well, it's bright and sunny right now. It's not going to stay that way, but it is bright and sunny right now. We do have a little weather system getting ready to slide into the area, and today will be a slightly cooler day. But the theme for the week is going to be some warmer weather. So we'll talk about just how warm this week is going to get and when we may see a change in this pattern to maybe bring us some rain and really get us into our cool and rainy season. This morning, we have this little weather system sliding into Northern California. It's not going to do much for us. There is going to be some rain, probably already is, up on the north coast and into the Pacific Northwest. But as it's sliding inland, it really is going to fall apart. And the farther south and east you are, areas, let's say like Tuolumne County or toward Yosemite, you'll see a lot less cloud cover than what we'll see in Plumas County and certainly Lake County. But yeah, this thing really isn't going to do much for us other than provide a few clouds and some slightly cooler temperatures. So let me show you what the HRRR is showing with this today. And so here's that rain initialized. And then this is around midday. And as you can see, there is some rain on the northwest coast, which is really nice. And then the line extends down to the south. And then, yeah, it just falls apart. This is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There's some rain in Shasta, Tehama County, and points north, all very, very light. We may see a sprinkle get down into Butte County if we're lucky. And then, yeah, you can just see that it just kind of falls apart. You also might see a sprinkle into Plumas County. That's around 8 o'clock this evening. And otherwise, yeah, it just goes away. And that's our only chance of rain for the next 48 hours. So let me back up and just show you that again. So yeah, this is similar to what we've been seeing recently, probably even weaker so than some of the ones we've seen recently that did provide a couple of sprinkles to our area. But yeah, just kind of going by, giving us a few clouds, and then behind that, everything clears out. We are going to see a warming trend once that goes on by. So let me show you a graph showing the forecast temperatures for Sacramento over the next week or so. And this is the assembly, if you will, of the various members of the GFS. And I'll just kind of look at the mean on here. So the mean for today is 80. And then as you can see, tomorrow is warmer. The mean goes to 86. On Wednesday, the mean goes to somewhere around here, 88. Which one is it? Yeah, at 89. And then Thursday, all of our models are pointing at Thursday being the warmest day. Thursday, we may be as high as 90 or 91. The only significance there is that Thursday is a relatively low record high for Sacramento right now at 91. So we could be close to our record. And if there's going to be one day this week, we're going to see temperatures at or above 90, it would be Thursday. And then there'll be a temperature drop on Friday as the weather pattern changes, and we'll get back down to the mid 80s. This may be a little bit too fast. This number may be a bit closer. I think something like 87 or 88 is likely on Friday. But dry weather, warm weather, right on through the week. All right, so let's take a look at the big picture here and show you what is going on and how things are going to maybe eventually change. Let me just get this centered up. Here we go. All right, so here's this big ridge that is going to be helping to keep us warm this week. Here's that weakening weather system going by during the day today. And after it goes on by, the ridge rebuilds. And this is the day on Thursday. That is just a classic warm weather pattern. Too early to know whether or not the southeasterly flow, almost a monsoonal type flow, will grab any moisture and send some high clouds our way. But right now we're just calling for sunshine. That does begin to change on Friday. We likely will see some high clouds on Friday in the beginning of the cooling trend. And then as we look ahead to next weekend, this is Saturday, looks like this one is going to be dry, this little trough going by, but certainly it will be cooler over the weekend. But I think if you have anything planned outdoors over the weekend, it's going to be just fine. And then right now, I don't really like the models this far out, but just kind of a sneak peek. This is next Tuesday and into Wednesday. The models are indicating that maybe around next Wednesday, we could maybe finally get some rain our way. We'll see how that plays out over the next couple of days. But in the meantime, this week is certainly going to be sunny and warm, other than the clouds we see today. And so for those of you that work outdoors, if you just want to get outside and play or whatever it might be, this week is just fine. And like I said, while the weekend will be cooler, It should also be fine for anything you have planned outdoors, and we'll watch to see if those changes are eventually going to come our way for next week. So that's everything I've got for you this morning on this Monday morning. I'll be back at the studio tonight and on TV at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. In the meantime, make it a great day. I'll talk to you later.